happened?
My bug died.
The bug died?
Yeah, it got no strings and no ouch and no.
But what happened? It went.
Because how many bugs got oof?
Wow.
Yeah. Come,
Where
come,
is
Mama.
it? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Look, the bug died.
Yes.
Yes.
I think it's just dirty. We cleaned out our freezer because it's broken. Oh yeah.
I think it's dirty. Let's go to the next one. Let's go.
Oh my goodness, Jen. Wait. Come tell me what happened to the bug. This fridge is broken, but we have to use the one outside.
Yeah.
So what happened to the bug?
Because bug and Brandon is on full sleep. I wake up, but I had to draw a dream. But how it bug went oof?
It went oof.
Yeah.
Poor bug.
Yeah, what?
It doesn't have any more wings.
Yeah. Because look, the one died. One, come, Mama.
I saw it, baby. I saw it.
Yeah, come. That's Mommy's. Oh, look, the bug died.
Oh no. We're gonna have to clean it out.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna have to clean out that bug.
Wait. Now clean it. Look, we can reach it.
Mommy will be able to reach it.
Yeah.
My
It
goodness.
doesn't get ouch.
Oh man. My goodness, Jan. You have a mess in here.
Yeah.
Look at all of this mess.
Mama clean it and me clean it.
Look at, you even got my blankets. What's funny? You're gonna fall.
And for Mama is forever and me is forever.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Oh, the floor is lava?
Yeah.
Floor is lava!
I think I made
Yay, Jan made it.
um
You need to put your puzzle back in the box, Jan.
no, oof. I look at claws.
Be careful. Whoa.
Hey,
Oh, no, we don't do that. You can fall.
I can read the lava.
Floor is lava!
I need pencil.
Floor is lava!
Look what's
Say bye.